triangles and their properties. Find the value of question number 1. Find the value of y from the given figure. Here first find the value of y from the given figure. This is the given figure. Here 90 degrees, so 42 degrees and y degrees. Find the value of this y. Find the value of y. So in sum of all angles in triangle 180 degrees by angle sum property. Angle sum property. Angle sum by using angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. So here angle C equal to 90 degrees. The symbol represented as 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So 90 degrees plus angle B equal to here 42 degrees. 42 degrees. Next plus find the angle A. Angle A means find angle Y value. So angle A or we can write as Y degrees. So equal to 180 degrees. 90 plus 42 132. Y degrees equal to 180 minus 132. So 48 degrees. Y equal to angle Y equal to 48 degrees. Angle Y equal to 48 degrees. So question number 1 completed. Next question number 2. How many medians can a triangle have? How many medians can a triangle have? So our answer is question number 2. 3 medians. 3 medians we can draw any triangle. 3 medians. So what are there? Like here A, B, C. This is the one of the median. A, for example, CD. CD is the median to the AB side. Next B, E and AF. D, E, F are the medians. The midpoint of the opposite sides. This is the vertex C. C is vertex. A, B, C are the vertices. So AF is the median to the BC side. Next one AC is the side. This is the opposite vertex B from this vertex. So B is median. B is the median and DC also one of the median. So we can draw only 3 medians in one triangle. So first one 3 medians only we can draw. Question number B, bit number 2 and B question. What is the sum of interior angle of triangle? Sum of interior angle of a triangle. So by using angle sum property, sum of all angles in triangle. Sum of all means 3 angles. Sum of all angles in triangle. Sum of all angles in triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So what is the sum of interior angles? Sum of interior angles here. Interior angles means here only A, B, C. So angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB. Here BCA. Sum of 3 angles equal to 180 degrees. This is the second one. Second bit is B1. Next third bit. The angle of third bit. Here third bit. The angle of a triangle are in ratio 3:5:7. Find the greatest angle. The angle of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5:7. Find the greatest angle. So find the greatest angle. Let us take any angle x. Any angle. Let us take any angle. Let us take any angle x. So here ratios 3x 3 5 7 5 3 is to 5 is to 7. So ratio equal to 3x is to 5x is to 7x. Sum of the ratios sum of the ratios or sum of the ratio equal to 3x plus 5x plus 7x. So what is the sum here? 8 plus 7 15x. So sum of all angles in triangle 180 degrees by using angle sum property. So sum of all angles, sum of all means 3 angles, sum of all angles in triangle, sum of all angles in triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That's why we can write as here 3x plus 5x plus 7x equal to 180 degrees. So 15x equal to 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15x equal to 180 degrees. So x equal to, after transposing, x equal to 180 by 15. So 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Next one 5 6 are 30. So 3 1s are 3 12s are. So x degrees equal to 12. X equal to 12. That means first angle angle 1, first angle equal to angle 1 equal to 3x 3 into 12 equal to 36 degrees. Next one second angle 5 into 12 equal to 60. Next third angle 7 into 12 84 degrees. So 80 60 plus 80 140, 140 plus 30 170, 6 plus 4 10 180. So sum of all angles equal to 180 degrees. So triangles and their properties, 3 questions over. Next one fractions and decimals. So fractions and decimals, find the some important problems, some important concepts also. So find the value of a. Question number 1, 6 whole 3 by 4 of 7. 6 whole 3 by 4 of 7. So fractions and decimal. Question number 1, a, bit number a, 6 3 whole 6 of 6 whole 3 by 4 of 7. 6 whole 3 by 4 of 7. Next question b1 sorry. Okay, first of all solve this one. 6 4 the 24. This is the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. So 3 6 are 24, 6 4 the 24, 4 6 are 6 4 the 24 plus 3 27 by 4 of 7. 7 means 7 by 1. So half means in mathematical representation, half means into. So 24 by 27 by 4 into 7 by 1. So multiply 27 into 7. 27 7s are 49. 4 7 7 7s are 49. So 7 7s are 49. Next 7 2s are 14 18. 189 by 4 1s are 4. So 189 by 4. This is the improper fraction. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. So improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. 4 whole 189. 4 4s are 16 to 29. 4 7 the 28. So 1 is the remainder. Therefore 6 whole 3 by 4 of 7 equal to here 47 whole 1 by 4. 47 whole 1 by 4 is the final answer. So A equal to A. First question, bit number 1, 6 whole 3 by 4 of 7. 6 or 6 4 the 24, 24 plus 3, 27 by 4 of 7 by 1. 7 means we can write as 7 by 1. So 27 by 4 into 7 by 4 equal to 27 7s are 189. 27 7 the 7 7 the 49, 7 2 the 14 plus 4 18 189. So 4 1 the 4. This is the improper fraction. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. That's why we can write as here 6 whole 3 by 4 of 7 equal to 47 by 1 by 4. 47 whole 1 by 4. So first question A bit completed. Next one. Next one, bit number first bit B1 7 B1, bit number 1 B1 7 by 16 into 15 by 25 into 8 by 21 into 8 by 21. So cancellation here, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Next one, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Next 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Once again, 7 1s are 7. Next 7 3s are 21. Next 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Next 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So remaining answer here, numerator 1 1 1. So 1 1s are 1 by 5 2s are 10. So 1 by 10 is the final answer. B1 final answer 1 by 10. So 1 by 10. So 2 5s are 10, 1 1s are 1. Next one, question number 2. Question number 2. So what should be subtracted from 12 to get 17 by 2? What should be subtracted? Any number x. Take any number. Let take any number x. So what should be subtracted from 12? So subtracted from, so what should be subtracted means which number subtracted from 12 we will get 17 by 2. That's why we take any number x. So subtracted from 12 means 12 minus x equal to we get to 17 by 2. So 12 minus x. So after transposing minus x plus x, so 12, this one transpose here left side. So 17 plus 17 by 2 is equal to minus 17 by 2 equal to minus 17 by equal to x. So x is any number. So 12 by 1 we can write as 12 is here integer. So 12 by 1 minus 17 by 2. So cross multiplication, 12 2s are 24 minus 17 1s are 17 by 2 1s are 2 equal to x. 24 minus 17, so 7 by 2. 24 minus 17, 7 by 2 equal to x. So x value here 7 by 2, but this is the improper fraction, convert into mixed fraction. 2 7, so 2 3s are 6, 1, so 3 whole. Final answer x equal to 3 whole 1 by 2. 3 whole 1 by 2 is subtracted from 12. We will get 17 by 2. 17 by 2. This is the final answer for question number 2. Next one, question number 3. Find the perimeter of the given figure. So this is the figure. 3 whole 1 by 3 centimeter, 4 whole 2 by 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 whole 2 by 3 centimeter, 3 whole 1 by 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So sum of the all sides is nothing but perimeter of the any figure or given figure. So perimeter of the any figure, perimeter equal to sum of the all sides, perimeter of any figure, so any shape, so perimeter equal to sum of all sides, sum of the all sides of length, sum of the all sides of length, all sides of all sides of length. So here 3 whole 1 by 3 plus 4 whole 2 by 3 plus 3 centimeter plus 3 whole 1 by 3 plus 4 whole 2 by 3 plus 3 centimeter. So these are the 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides, 6 sides here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexagon. So here 3 centimeter 3 centimeter 6 centimeter plus next one 3 plus sorry 3 plus 3 by 1 6 by 1, 3 plus 3 6 centimeters, so 6 by 1 we can write. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3 plus 3 4s are 12 12 plus 2 14 by 3 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14 by 3. Okay, so all denominators are equal here. So 10 plus 14 plus 10 plus 14 24 34 44 48, so 6 by 1 plus 48 by 3, 48 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 6 are 16 by 1 or 6 by 1, so 6 plus 16 equal to 22 centimeter, so 22 centimeter. So this is the final answer. Perimeter of here given figure 22 centimeter. 6 by 1, 6 by 1 plus 16 by 1, 16 plus 6 22, so 22 centimeter. Next next one, question number 4. The cost of 6 whole 1 by 4 kgs of apple is 600 rupees. Find the cost of 1 kg of apple. The cost of 6 whole 1 by 4 kgs of apple is 600 rupees. Find the cost of the 1 kgs of apple. Here cost of 1 kg apple. The cost of fourth question. The cost of 1 kg apple. 1 kg apple is 6 whole 1 by 4. Sorry, the cost of 6 whole 1 by 4, sorry 1 kg not. The cost of 6 whole 1 by 4 kgs of apple is 600 rupees. 600 rupees. So find the cost of 1 kg. Cost of 1 kg, 1 kg apple. Cost of 1 kg apple is equal to how much? So first of all 6 whole 1 by 4 kgs here equal to 600 rupees. 600 rupees. Next 1 kgs, 1 kgs of 1 kg apple equal to how much cost? So this is the cross multiplication. This is how much means here like x value, the cost of 1 kg, the if let us take cost of 1 kg apple is equal to x rupees. X rupees, so x rupees here 6 4 the 24 plus 1 25, 25 by 4 into x cross multiplication equal to 1 into 600, 600 rupees. Okay, so next one here 25 x by 4 equal to 600 by 1 cross multiplication 1 into 25x, 25x equal to 4 into 600, 4 into 600 you can write like this only. So x equal to 4 into 600 by 25. So 5 5 is a 25, 5 1 is 5 12 is, so and 5 120 is 600, so 5 1 is 5 2 is 5 4 is, so x equal to 6 4 is 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8 9, 96 rupees. So 1 kg apple equal to 1 kg apple equal to 96 rupees. So 6 whole 1 by 4 kgs apple equal to 600 rupees. Check it, this one, check it first, check it once again, check. So 6 whole 1 by 4 kgs equal to 600 rupees. The cost of 1 kg apple equal to, here we will find. So already find here 96 rupees. 6 whole 1 by 4, 6 whole 1 by 4 into 96. Check this one whether it is right or wrong, check it here. So 6 is 6 whole 1 by 4 into 96. So 6 4 is 24, 25 by 4, 25 by 4 into 96. So 9 4 1 is 4 2 is 8, 4 4 is 16, 24 into 25, 24 into 25. So 4 5 is 20, 5 2 is 10, 12. Next one 4 2 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 5, 1 is 2, 10, 1, 6 700. So 600. So 600 rupees. So this x equal to 96 rupees. 96 rupees. X means here cost of 1 kg apple. Cost of 1 kg apple. Next one, next chapter. Chapter number integers. Next chapter, integers. Integer, find the value of first one, 4 minus 5 plus 6 minus 7 minus of minus 4. Integers, first one, find the value of 4 minus 5 plus 6 minus 7 minus of minus 4. So 4 minus 5 plus 6 minus 7 minus of minus plus 4, minus of minus plus 4, first bit, first one. So minus 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. So plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 14 minus 5 minus 7 minus 12, minus 7 minus 12. So answer is plus 12, plus 2 only, sorry, plus 2. So minus plus 14 minus 12 plus 2. Plus 14 is the highest number. So highest number here, compare with the 12. So 14 plus value. So here plus 2 answer. Next second one, minus 102 minus of minus 92. So minus 102 minus of minus plus 92. So 92 minus 102. Here greatest number minus, greatest number having minus sign only. So we will take minus sign number only. We will get minus negative answer. Okay, that means negative answer we will get. So 92 102 means 10. Minus 10 is here correct answer. Minus 10. Next one, question number 2. Question number 2, subtract the sum of minus 777 and 777 from 4000. Subtract the sum of these two numbers. First of all, subtract the sum of these two numbers from 4000. Okay, first of all, here we have two questions. First one, subtract the sum of first of all sum of these two numbers. After then we subtract from 4000 only. Okay, so first of all sum of minus 777 plus 777. So 1777 minus 1777 plus 777. First of all sum these two numbers. Why? Because here subtract the sum of two numbers from 4000. So first of all sum of this number. So minus this one plus. So here 7000 0, next 0 0, here 1 only. So minus 1000 is the sum of these two numbers, these two numbers. From this one, subtract the sum of the given answer from the 4000. So subtract 4000, second one 4000 minus of the sum is minus 1000. So answer is 4000 minus of minus plus 1000. So answer is 5000. 4000 plus 1000, 5000. This is the final answer. Listen once again. So subtract the sum of minus 1777 sorry, and 777 from 4000. So first of all, sum of the minus 1777 and 777. Afterward, the final answer subtract from 4000 only. So here, first of all, sum of 1000 minus 1777 plus 777. So you can write like this only, minus 177 plus 777 equal